Alright, this is a Android application that can be downloaded on the Google Store, and we'll be using it to control this Deadbolt. And there is a Bluetooth module right here connected to the board that's going to be receiving the commands. We have an LCD touchscreen, and as you can see, it says that we are connected. So now we're gonna press the lock and unlock buttons and see what happens. Okay. So there's lock, there's unlock. Now there's also an unlock bad, so if a user doesn't enter in the right code, it will do nothing. So we also have the touch screen, and a user can also press this and it will control the lock. There you go.